everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB as my helper today. I have another Ever Moment. I bought 4 of them at the AliExpress sale. And I really wasn't choosing Ever Moment. I was choosing beautiful pictures that I wanted. And 4 of them happened to be Ever Moment. Right, this is a 30 by 40 full drill square with 33 colors. And there's my free gift, some more stickers. And we'll get the tools out. Oh, here's everything. Here's the tools. It's their standard toolkit, which is really nice. It's the white boat with a funnel, a pen that's got single tip, 3 tip, a squishy holder, and there's also, it's hard to see, but there's a 6 tip extension in there also. With pink wax, they're super sharp tweezers. Be careful with them. I have stabbed myself on several occasions, because that's how I roll. And some white labels to go on the backs. And Ever Moment's drills are always very clean and no big major issues, which is nice, because if you get a kit that has like oily drills and you have to spend hours cleaning the drills, drying them, organizing them, cleaning out your containers if you already put the drills into the container and then got it dirty. Miserable. Miserable. Oh, there's BB walking around behind the camera. Sorry for the jiggling. Okay, these are flowers. Looks like very purple pansies. Pansies? I think so. I think they're pansies. The colors are beautiful. Here's the picture, or the image on the inventory sheet. Here is the canvas. I swear, if I could draw, I would just draw flowers all day long. Very pretty. And I'll put the image up for you also, so you can see that. There we go. Yes, definitely pansies. They are beautiful. And like I said, 33 colors. So there's incredible shading. And if you look, you can see that very deep purple right there, along with a lot of black. Is there a lot of black in here? 310. Not as much as some of the other colors, but it's okay. Purples, 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 purples. And some blues. What are you barking at, BB? That's wonderful. I think that is beautiful. I think it's going to look great. It's going to be fun to do. The symbols are clear and nice, like Ever Moment always is. The packaging is great. This one got a little beat up. The end cap of the tube got broken. But you know what? If that's what happens to keep it safe, if it gets banged around and the tube breaks or the tube gets dented, awesome. That's what the tube is there for. This is going to be a perfect kit. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put the update on the drills in the description. I'm positive they're all there, but I will check them. I always do. It's very important to do an inventory on your drills, because if you go back and say you got it and the feedback is all positive, it's going to be harder to get the drills you need from Ever Moment. You can always go and buy them somewhere else, or Get them from another diamond painter. The people in the groups are fantastic about sharing drills and things that people need, giving advice. You have a problem, you don't know what to do. Just go ask in the Facebook groups. And come join our group. We're over 300 people now. We're having a lot of fun. Stacy's doing some lives so that we can all paint together and talk about our diamond paintings. We have a lot of newbies in our group, which is great because they ask the questions that maybe other people are afraid to ask, like they're going to feel dumb maybe, but you should never feel dumb. This is a new craft. We're all learning about it. We're finding out about it. Just come join in and have fun. You will be addicted as soon as you do one. It just happens that way. Somebody said, well, I bought one and I'm not addicted. I said, really? Did you finish it? She says, no, I haven't started it. So, then you don't know. I was addicted the moment I started doing my first diamond painting. I love it. I enjoy it. It's relaxing. It's fun. Speaking of enjoyment, if you like my video, please hit like. Please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you tap the little bell next to subscribe, you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Thank you so much for joining me. And thank you for tuning in to my videos. And thank you for all your comments. And thank you for all the lovely words from people. I'm having so much fun, and just really, it's giving me something fun to do. And we all need that. We all need something fun to do. We all need some time to ourselves and just sit and be calm and quiet with our diamond painting. If you're like me, you queue up about 20 diamond painting videos on YouTube and just listen to everybody. It's so much fun for me. I feel like I'm not alone, like I'm doing it with someone, just kind of laughing along with what they're saying. So, thank you again, and you take care and have a great day. Happy diamond painting.